Hi. Hi. This is my train shirt. So this time also. So tell us a story. We took some bath and then we the train is very speedy. And right now, we're going to go back home. And then we're back to safety. So, train back up and the switch turns. And you know what that's called? Cool. Two, 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 two. It is one. Mm-hmm. And you go out and go right now. And go. And it's going back home. You stop. And right now, just turn all day. And go through the whip. But something bad. You know, you know, that that fire jet went over the then got put. It just went over the wall. Just the double check. It went over. Put two. Within the box. Then back. Just watch the train stop. The one and stop. And please not stop. Look. Well, this way. Mm, that train is about to cross. Okay? And then you have to have, and it just takes walk. And this goes, and it just this way. And it started to move. It started to about 30 miles of this. And watch this. this bombed in the air and landed on the truck. One day, this train succeeded in breaking. One day, there was and that's how put bombs in it and it's going to kill things. And this got planted on the switch. And then it tipped over. That means stop. That means stop.
Train crash forever. The end. We only get to do one. It's 7 minutes left. You wanna watch it?
Yes. Yeah.